All right, if you want to stay ahead of the game, you're in the right place. Welcome to YGC Speaks, how AI can be a tool in building our dreams. So let's explore more together with our guest for today, Shazwi.
Hey, thank you for having me, Alan.
Yes, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm very good. How about you?
I'm so good too. Nervous?
Little bit.
You don't have to. All right, let's head up with this question to you. Right. What are employers starting to view a lack of AI literacy as a red flag? Okay, for a candidate's willingness to learn and adapt.
So meaning when they see AI, it feels like they don't want to learn AI. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I think is when people not to learn AI, I feel like those people work a bit slow. They tend to work manually instead of automated. So they might be left behind a bit comparing to people who are using AI. That's my opinion.
That's your opinion.
That's my opinion.
I think that is a good opinion, though. Like you need to adapt with AI to make things faster.
Yes.
I mean, when it comes to work, I think manually also good, but with AI can boost up.
Yes.
Yeah, great.
Yes.
So with that, how do you balance like using AI to boost your productivity, like with keeping your authentic voice and personality in your work?
All right. So you can view AI as a tool, but sometimes what AI doesn't have is emotion feeling. So empathy.
Empathy.
That's the thing that I don't have. So you do when you use AI, use it as a tool, and then you can add it with empathy. So it works parallel in both ways. So, for example, when you write an email, it'll be kind of a formal email. But sometimes you have to greet the person properly, say friendly gesture. So kind of this stuff we need to add on.
We need to add on.
So meaning you let the AI generate the content first, and then you modify it, make it into your own work.
So basically, it's like double checking things up first.
Yeah, double checking.
All right. So what's one career skill that AI can never automate, no matter how smart it gets? I know one of it. You said it's empathy.
Yes.
Maybe other thing.
Okay, probably the thing is when I say emotion, empathy, it could be a counselor.
Okay.
Can advise, but you're talking to a robot. Doesn't have any emotion.
That's true.
So better and then another career that cannot be replaced is technical works. For example, if there's a fire next door, what am I going to do? I have to call firefighter instead of asking AI.
Hey, how to
put on fire?
Oh my god, it takes time.
Yes.
I like that.
Yes.
All right, with that,
this human stuff work. We still need human.
we still need that, right?
Yes,
Okay.
we still need human.
I think that's true. I mean, like some of work perhaps can use AI, but some of it, human skills.
Yes.
Okay. Which industry or jobs do you think will be completely transformed or created from scratch by AI in the next 3 to 5 years?
All right, good question.
Yeah.
Right now, when you open TikTok, we have a lot of AI video. Doesn't matter TikTok or IG.
Any videos now.
We
have
can
AI.
see cat dancing.
Yeah.
We can see crocodile dancing with love. So
Okay.
some people thought this is real, but it's not real.
Yeah.
It is done by AI. So if you see that type of video, what will you comment?
I usually, when I see that video, sometimes I think the content is funny.
Funny.
Yeah, funny. But sometimes if it's like not relevant, I was like skip it.
Skip.
Scroll.
For me, normally what I do is I click
Okay.
I click save, and then I forward to you, like especially to my friend.
Okay,
so is it funny?
Okay, then. So, what is your strategy for staying updated on new tech tools without feeling completely overwhelmed?
Okay, sometimes Right now we are using ChatGPT. I think 5.6 ka. 5. Is it 5.5 or 5.6? So each of that model they have different model like Opus, and then there's another one I forgot. There's so many models. So different models have different tasks, and then every version have different capabilities. They have they can the AI can reply to you instantaneously, medium or hard. So instant, they will not think too much. But if you go hard mode,
Okay.
they'll go deep down every search engine around the world.
Oh my.
It'll take time, but it'll give you a correct answer. So your question is, how do we keep ourselves updated?
Yeah.
Sometimes, like I said previously, we tend to look at social media often.
True.
So when people post any update about AI, try to like, and then the feedback will come to you. So they'll post another new tools for AI. There are always new tools.
Okay.
So what you can do is stick with either 2 or 3 AI tools. But if you learn 10 AI tools at one time, sometimes a bit overburdened.
That's too much, right?
My go-away AI tool is Claude, and then another one is ChatGPT, and then another one.
That's the legend, right?
Yeah, that's the
ChatGPT.
legend one. But why does it call legend? Because most of the AI tools are depending on ChatGPT. It's the same thing, but still ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Another one is Gemini. Why is Gemini? Because it's owned by Google, and then most of our resources are stored inside their server.
Yep. I really like
Yes.
Gemini though.
Yes.
Okay. So, how do you collaborate effectively with cross-functional team members who might be resistant or skeptical about, oh my God, this AI thing, what is this?
All right.
Yeah.
So sometimes when we tell them, it will not work.
Yeah.
So what we can do is we show them the actual result. So we're not telling them. We just show them, this is how you do it. You can do 30 minutes, I can do it in 1 minute. So showing the result.
Yeah,
so they
showing
can
the
change,
result.
perhaps they can change their mind.
Yeah. We need to show them first, by then they will understand, this is easy.
Yeah.
It's not that easy, but you have to like create some prompt whatsoever, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
So in a world where anyone can generate a document or code in seconds, what actually makes a job candidate stand out from the crowd? You know?
Okay.
How?
So this person is. Can you repeat again the question?
Okay. In this world, where everyone can generate, every single thing we can just use AI.
Yes.
Doing documentation, AI in a second.
Yes.
Okay. So what actually makes this person or job candidate can stand out from the others?
Okay. I'll give you a scenario. For example, you're going to interview.
Yeah.
You have hundred of people going for the interview.
Yeah.
How do you want
Make yourself
to be
unique.
unique
Yeah.
comparing to other people?
Yeah.
So what you can do is do the correct prompting.
Okay.
Prompting. Sometimes when we ask AI, please reply me this email. Reply what? To who? What content? What's the context? What output we want to be? So this one, we need to be detailed as possible. Sometimes we always blame AI. AI always wrong. AI always wrong. No, you are wrong. Because you have to properly prompt the engineer.
Didn't double check that.
Then double check, is it correct or not? So what you can do is, this one I heard yesterday, I opened up a social media. When you look for something, I type something on ChatGPT. So I want you to read this type of book and then analyze it for me. So that is my prompt. I put it inside ChatGPT. I do the same prompt to Claude. I'll do again the second prompt to Gemini.
Okay.
Let's compare. And then whatever result that came out from Claude, I put it inside ChatGPT. Ask it again to analyze. It'll give you again a different type of result.
Oh.
So sometimes the AI can be they cannot make decision on their own because of the information. Everything is on the internet. So again, what result you want to be, what the output, what is the format. Most importantly, another formula is the role. You're working as what?
Okay.
So this is the formula: role, context, format, and result. So plus plus plus. This is the formula.
All right.
Like,
That's amazing. Okay. So, all right, let's move on. So, how does a worker willingness to experiment with new AI tools reflect on their overall adaptability and growth mindset? So, how was it?
how's the
The worker willingness to experiment with new AI tools reflect on their overall adaptability and growth mindset.
how they grow with AI?
Yeah.
How do they grow with
I mean,
AI?
like, probably it's like, how can they grow, number one, and how can they adapt with this AI even though they don't have any, background or experience on that?
All right. So first thing first is you need to experience.
Yeah.
For example, I wanted to lose weight. Okay. So I will ask AI. I will first of all I will tell what is my gender, what is my weight, what is my current weight, my height, and then I will tell AI how active am I in a week, how many times I'm doing my exercise. So we're feeding them information first. So and then AI can give me better planning for my diet planning.
Okay.
Okay. By then, it will plan me from day 1 until day 7. So day 1, what should I do? What should I eat? Sometimes when I'm planning the diet by myself. Sometimes I'm a bit undisciplined.
Okay.
So I have to follow day 1. What should I do? Day 2, what should I do? I keep checking. It's parallel. So this AI is my buddies. I always
It's like your best friend.
you like my best friend. AI is your friend. So always asking him. So am I eating the correct food? Am I doing the correct exercise? It can be your coach. It can be your friend. Also, it can be your enemy.
Exactly. Oh, that's tough. Okay.
Yes.
I mean, like, it's good that to experience it first, or maybe even though you don't have that experience, just try it. At least by then you will know how to use it.
Yes.
Okay. So last question for today. What is the danger actually of relying too much on AI without understanding the foundational basics of your job?
All right.
Like, what is the danger for this AI?
So the danger of this AI, sometimes we are stopping ourselves from being creative. So sometimes right now, as for this moment, when you look at every social media, the design is a bit the same. It's a bit the same.
True.
So confirm AI generated. There is no creativity. So this thing is what we can do. We create the content first, and then ask AI to insert.
Okay. It's like to add on extra information.
Yes.
Something like loophole, something like that.
Yes, correct, exactly.
Yeah, I think I understand that. I mean, like AI, even though it makes things easier for you, but at the same time,
Your work will be the same with the others. Where's the
Exactly.
uniqueness?
yeah, that's true.
Yes.
However, with AI, it can help you to make things easier,
Yes.
right? All right. Thank you so much, Shazwi, for this. To our audience, don't fear the tech, okay? Don't worry about it. Explore, use, and maximize its feature. All right. Thank you for that. And we hope you enjoyed this conversation today. Until next time on YTC Speaks, see you all again next Monday. Like, follow, and share your Global Campus Skills for Tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye-bye.